sir. Very good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, everyone. This is our customer, Mr.Kamath,
Hi.
and he has installed a 5.8 kilowatt off-grid system with EcoSoch solar. So, sir, first of all, congratulations on your installations, and thank you very much for choosing EcoSoch as your trusted partner. Why choose EcoSoch? What's your reason?
Fine. Mainly, there were two main reasons. One is I have been in this area for more than 20 years, and while roaming around in Sakarnagar, I have seen EcoSoch building, and I have also visited them 2 or 3 times before. And I have also interacted with the people in that shop, and I found them to be good. The interaction was good, and then later on, some of our neighbors also have installed from EcoSoch, and their feedback was also good. Hence the reason of choosing EcoSoch, because they were a local company as well.
So, Kamath sir, how was your experience with EcoSoch with the solar installation? I'd like to know about it.
So far, it has been very good. They had given me a plan of the installation, and I had to just follow up it only once or twice, and they installed it as per the plan, and they have done a good job of the installation. And if there was any problem later, or if I had any doubts, they were very prompt in answering, and they have helped to resolve the issues. Like there was a small issue of earthing problem, and the person came immediately and resolved it. So hence it was a very good experience with EcoSoch.
Since now the system is installed, how was the overall system performance so far?
It's actually, I was expecting the full power to be generated. However, the install capacity is 5.8, whereas maximum I have got is 4.8 in a good situation. When it is cloudy and all, it is generating around 2 kilowatt, which is okay for me because you installed excess capacity. So it has been a good experience so far.
Sir, next I want to check with you or ask you, why opt for solar and renewable energy?
Okay, mainly it is good for the environment, and we know there have been issues in the past with KAB having disconnected power as and when they have, means we wouldn't know when they will disconnect. So at least here there is no surprise element. We have got a constant supply of power.
Sir, I would like to also know whether would you recommend EcoSoch to your friends and colleagues, and your family members?
Sure, definitely, because they have done a good job in the installation, and after the initial teething problems, there has been no issues, and there was no need for me to contact them because the system is running perfectly.
Next, I want to know what was your biggest hesitation before going with solar, and how was it resolved?
Okay. In the beginning, in the market, I have seen there were lots of solar panels, and looking in the internet, I found so many options, and I couldn't decide which one to go for. Also, I have heard stories about lithium batteries catching on fire. So that was the main hesitation for me for going for solar. Later, I found out that lithium iron phosphate did not catch fire. And also the latest technology was having panels which was smaller in size but generated more, and hence the hesitation went off and I opted for solar.
Sir, thank you very much for your precious time and having us this opportunity to come and have a discussion with you and to know how we have done the installation. It's an really honorable moment for us as well, and thank you very much to accommodate us.
Yeah, I am privileged that you people considered me for the interview. Thank you.